That's what we do, nigga. Now here, take your shot.
Oh, record me.
Oh shit.
Are you doing that now?
Huh?
Are you recording me now?
Say hello to my class.
Hey.
This is how we do our day by freshening up and taking a shower.
Know me, know my hot dog. Now get out! Get the fuck out!
Put on your towel, let's go.
Get out!
Put on your fucking towel, let's go.
Why?
You act like
Did you take the outfit out for me?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
I pick your underwear.
Alright, but you making life so difficult.
Get out.
I'm about to get out now. Just let me finish the dry phone.
And get a dry home.
I do have to dry home. I gotta put some lotion on. Oh my god, it won't go all the way around.
Your butt cheeks is gonna have to hang out then.
You know what? They ain't gonna hang out. Can you get
Uh-oh.
Can you get out?
Look at this muscular man.
Get out.
You about to brush your teeth again?
No, Chanel. I'm about to just sit here and play in the water.
This little nigga plays in water.